Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm so sorry, it's been a while, but I'm back. It's summertime. I still have school. I don't get a summer break, but my classes are online. Gio's also on break, so that's very beneficial to me. He's gonna help me out a lot. Let me show y'all what we got from R1 Concept. Bubble wrap. This is so cute. I will put this on my keychain. I'm just gonna rip it open. Better for my RSX because they're tinier text. Okay, this box is so heavy. Okay, let's start with the other rotors. These are TL rotors. Dude, this is just gonna look so nice. Freaking nice. So I just want to show you guys a visual. These are the TL Type S and these are the RSX Type S. So these are for the front and these are for the rear. And the TL are bigger than the RSX. So also you notice that these are cross-drilled and diamond slotted. So the cross-drill pattern helps reduce heat that's built up. And they're also tempered, which helps prevent cracking. And then the diamond slotted pattern, it helps remove debris from the road or from the brake pads. And then it helps prevent pad glazing, which ultimately preserves the life of the rotors as a whole. And once these tip ends are gone, it basically indicates that it's time to change the rotors. So pretty helpful, pretty cool. These are gonna look super clean. I'm really excited to put them on. So real quick, if you guys are a little confused on why I got a TL Type S brake kit for my front, it's because I made a special request. I requested a brake kit for my TL Type S for my front brakes. And I requested the RSX Type S brake kit for my rear. This is because I'm aiming for big brakes. And if you didn't know, the TL Type S comes with Brembos. I'm so thankful that R1 Concepts was cool enough to accommodate me with zero hesitation. So I know my DC5 fam knows who DC5 Creations is. Super cool guy. He offers 2 TL Type S 4-piston calipers. And they're basically plug and play onto my RSX. So once I get them, I'll just be able to install them with no hesitation. They come with caliper bolts, rotor screws, comes with the spring clip and pins, the clear hose to bleed out the calipers, and the Brembo decals. So basically everything I need. That's such a cool service to be provided. So if you guys are interested, definitely check their website out. It's going to look like that. So I'm really excited for it. It's definitely gonna give it a cleaner look, especially because my wheels are a little, you know. Let's go ahead and open the brake pads. These are small, so these are the RSX ones. Brake pads for my RSX. And we got brake pads for the TL. So, and yeah guys, I'm so excited. And just as another reference, these are the stock RSX brake pads in comparison to the TLs. These are a lot bigger for sure, so it's definitely gonna make a difference. And I'm really excited to put these on. I cannot wait. So overall guys, I'm super thankful that R1 Concepts was able to accommodate me. Shout out to R1 Concepts. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. It's so cool to be able to have this opportunity to work with you guys and ultimately just give my car a better feel, better performance. I'm super excited. Like I said, this is different. I'm not just putting on RSX rotors, RSX brakes, you know. I'm putting on TL brakes and they're gonna look so good. This video won't be out until like a month from now. Sorry, but make sure you guys stay tuned. Keep an eye out. I'll definitely be posting on my socials, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram because that's where I'm really active. It's an honor to be able to work with R1 Concepts. I'm telling you guys, they're a really cool company. I'm really lucky to be able to represent them somehow. Keep in mind y'all, I am going on vacation next week and I will be gone for like almost 2 weeks, so I will not be installing these parts until the end of June. And I cannot wait to get this done. Like I really cannot wait. Like it's something I will be looking forward to when I come back home from vacation. Alright guys, that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it as always.
I'm so thankful because I feel like my supporters are so understanding, so influential to me. Y'all are so sweet. But yeah, super excited, guys. And make sure you guys also click on the link in my description just to check out R1 Concepts. Super good reviews, guys, so I can't wait to be able to test it myself, let you guys know what I think, and it's gonna be real cool. I cannot wait. Again, shout out to R1 Concepts for being so supportive, so flexible with what I want to do as a project. I think it's real cool that I'm being able to get this support on a build. It was a special request, and I'm thankful that it was accommodated. And thank you guys again. I appreciate it so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys. Bye.